Good afternoon, everyone. It's Matt from Portside Camera Club. I've understood that some people need some help knowing how to use the fun page. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration of how to use the fun page, how to upload your photo, and how to download the photo. So let's start. Let's bring up the website. There you go. Here we go. As some of you know or may not know, the fun page is located underneath membership. So if you just hover your mouse over membership, that page comes up. If you don't, it doesn't come up, as you can see on the other pages. So you'll know when you're on the membership fun page because the black background will go transparent. So then you can just simply click and it will take you to the fun page. You should all know the password for the fun page by now. If you haven't, please get in contact with me or one of the committee members and the password will get sent to you via an email. Let me just log in. There we go. So once you've logged in, you can either save the password, but I don't need to. I've got other passwords I need to save for the website, so this doesn't matter to me. But if you wish to save the password, then please save it. Then you can just type in the first letter and it will automatically type in the password, or even better, automatically sign you straight in. Right, so there's multiple ways of getting to the fun page. This is just a little landing page for us. So we can either click here to add the images, go on the 5 comments, or read more. They all take you to the same place. Clicking portsidecameraclub.co.uk does not take you anywhere that you need to go. So we'll just go with click here to add your image. There we go. And you can see all the other members' images I've added. Daisy's, mine, and mine again. So at the bottom of the page, here is where you upload your photo. As Ron said, the photo must have a title and your initials. So I can't think of a title right now. It must have a title. And then my initials. So underneath you can see attachment. So if you just click the choose file button, it will bring up your desktop and all your files. So mine are just loading quickly. We will use that one for now. So once you've found the file you want, you just select it and click open. You'll know when the file has been uploaded as the file name, has been put in this box. You can click anywhere on this box to change your file and upload your file. So I keep clicking off of it. Silly me. Choosing the file, I have my title. It's that simple, and then we just click post comment. And you'll see in the upper left hand corner the circle is spinning round and round and round, and that means it's uploading to this page. Once it's been uploaded, you will then get a refresh page with your image. So that's how you upload your images. To download your image or download one of the other members' images, simply click on the image you want. So click on this one, which opens up in a new window. From there, you can right click, save the image, save it to where you want, edit it, do what you need to do with it. As soon as you want to upload it again, it's the same thing. You'd type in your title, or it would be their title, and then leave your initials. and the number 02, as the first image would be 01. Once you've done that, choose your file again, select your file, click open, not cancel, unless you've got the wrong file, and post a comment. I believe that is it to the front page. If anyone has any other questions, please let me know or one of the committee members know, and that'll get passed to me. Thank you.